Electric circuit. What is the electric circuit? Electric circuit is the path in which electric current flows from a source across a various components. Now, here the source means a battery or a cell, and the components means the switch, then the wires, then holder, bulb. These are the some components. The electric circuit diagram. What is the electric circuit diagram? Is the diagrammatic representation of electric circuit. Now, for example, this is a diagrammatic way. Now we need a one cell, that is a electrical source. Then we need a switch and a bulb. When the connecting wires are connected to all these, and when the circuit is complete, that time current will flow from the battery to the various components, and the bulb will glow. Okay, this is called as a electrical circuit. Now, electric components, the various parts or the elements that are used to make an electric circuit are called electric components. For example, cell, battery, connecting wires, bulb, switch. Okay, these are some components by which we can complete a one circuit. Or battery. What is a battery? Battery is the combination of two or more cell. Okay, single one is called as a cell, and two or more cell together makes a battery. Now here are the some diagrams of the components: switch, wires, electric cell, bulb. Okay, these are some components which are used to complete one circuit. Electric symbols. Now it is a very difficult to show the electric components in a circuit diagram. Okay, when we draw the circuit diagram, every time it is a very difficult to show the component with a in a circuit diagram. Okay, they are denoted or represented by a specific symbol. Okay, these are known as electric symbols. Now these components can be represented with the electrical symbols. Okay, for example, cell, then a battery. How to represent a cell, how to represent battery, then how to represent switch, then voltmeter, which is used to detect the voltage, then ammeter is used to measure the current, then resistors, then lamp or a bulb. Okay, these are the symbols used in an electrical circuit diagram. The heating effects of the electric current. Water heater or electric irons, room heaters, etc. are the some electrical devices in which heat is produced. Okay, due to the heating effects, the heat is produced, and we can use that. The electricity produces heat, that is a part of the electric energy is converted into heat energy. This is called heating effect of electric current. Now these are some electrical appliances where the electrical current is used: fridge, TV, oven, electrical iron, many more. Okay, where the electric current is used. Heating elements. All appliances which produce on passing heat on passing the electricity are based on the principle that heat is produced when the electricity is passed through a wire. This wire or a coil of a wire is known as the element or a heating elements. Okay, once the current is passed through these elements, okay, heat is produced. The amount of heat produced in a wire depend on the length, thickness, and the material of the wire. Okay, the amount of heat is depend on what? Length, how much length of the wire is, how much thickness is of the wire is, and what type of material is used to make the wire. The good conductors are those which allow electricity to pass through them very easily. Okay, direct electricity pass through them, they are called as a good conductor. The amount of heat produced depends on how good or a poor a conductor the material of a wire is used. More heat is produced if the material of the wire is not a conductor. Hence, heating elements are made up of material which have low conductivity or a high resistance. this type of material is used for the heating elements. Common materials used for heating elements are tungsten, then nichrome. Nichrome is the material made up of nickel, then iron and chromium. Nickel, iron and chromium. The filament of an incandescent bulb is made up of tungsten. For this reason, connecting wires which are made up of material like copper are not hot or to touch. Okay, since the copper is a good conductor, it passes electric current very easily, and it doesn't heat. That's why it is used in a electrical wire. Okay, these are some diagrams of the tungsten, then nichrome, nickel, then iron. These are the material used for the heating effect. Efficiency of the electrical appliances. When the electrical energy is partially converted into heat energy, it leads to wastage of the energy in the machines and appliances where the heat is not utilized. Stars on the electrical appliances indicates the efficiency of the rating or a rating of the appliances. More the numbers of stars, less is the wastage of electrical energy. Okay, these symbols you might have seen on the many electrical appliances. The more stars means less the loss of energy. That's all, student. Thank you very much.